First, cut the end of a napa cabbage. Then you can cut it in 8 equal parts by keep cutting halves. Make sure to place them in a large bowl. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt on and between the leaves. By doing this, you can remove most of the water in the cabbage. This process takes an hour or two, so set the bowl aside while you prepare the chili paste. In the bowl there are 7 cloves of garlic, half an onion, and about a thumb size of ginger.
Chút nữa có muỗng đen không?
Add 2 tablespoons of Chinese red cane sugar. The red sauce underneath is 3 large tablespoons of gochujang, or Korean chili paste. Mix them up thoroughly until you get a smooth sauce. Also, cut up 1 spring onion and 1 carrot like this. The cabbage should be soft by now. Soak them in a bowl of water to remove the salt and drain them afterwards. Also, wring them out like a towel to remove the last bit of water. Cut out the bits of the core of the cabbage and cut the cabbage in bite-sized parts. Add the previously cut vegetables to the bowl with cabbage. Also add the chili paste from before. Mix everything up like a salad with 2 spoons or salad utensils. I forgot to film it, but I also added 100 milliliters of cooled down dashi stock. Now you can put the kimchi in glass jars. Make sure to press it down with a spoon and that everything is covered by the liquid. Store the jars at room temperature for 24 to 36 hours. Also put a tray underneath as the liquid may leak out. If bubbles form when you press down with a spoon, you can keep the jars in the fridge from now on. You can eat the kimchi as a side dish straight out of the fridge or cooked in dishes as soups, pancakes, or fried rice. The kappa cabbage can also be replaced with cubes of white radish.